Hey everyone, or just you. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your dollar receiving account and how to add that up to your KDP account as well. Okay. So this is where we stopped at the last video. Um, we're just going to go ahead and get our dollar account. It's that easy. So I'm just adding a new tab, and the platform we're going to be using the platform we're going to be using to get our dollar account is none other than Payoneer.com. Yes, Payoneer.com. Now, as you can see, the site is open. A universe of opportunities open to you. Your paying account is your key to unlock a blah 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 blah. So we're going to click on get started. Okay, get started. Okay, so get started. Now, as it's loading, I should tell you that you can actually get the Payoneer's mobile app from Google Play Store if you are using an Android phone. I don't know about iPhone users if you can get it on the App Store. What do you guys call it? But on the Google Play Store, you can get your Payoneer um, mobile application. Yeah. So I'm just going to show you how it looks like. I have mine. Yeah. Okay. This Payoneer here. You can see it here. So that's it. So you can go to Google Play Store and get yours, okay? So that's if you prefer to do it on the app rather than the website. So now we are at the first stage, which is select the option that best describes you, okay? So in this place, you are not just an individual, you are not an affiliate marketer, you are not an online seller. What you should be clicking here is the first option, which is freelance, okay? That's the option you're supposed to be clicking. So we're going to go ahead and click freelance. Now it takes us to a page. This is the only option. So I'm looking to get paid by international clients. Yes, you are getting paid by international clients because Amazon is based in the US. They have not yet, although there are news and rumors about them coming to Nigeria very soon, which is good news for you as an Amazon publisher. But they are not yet in Nigeria, but they are planning on getting here. So they are international clients, and that's what we're going to be clicking on. Now, the right account for you is freelancer agency. Or that's right. So the options here shows that you can get paid by leading marketplaces, including Upwork, Fiverr, and all that. Get paid by global clients, withdraw your earnings to your local bank account, withdraw funds at ATM, pay your suppliers and subcontractors for free. So these are all the perks or whatever of these freelancer accounts. So we're going to go ahead and click on register. Please follow these steps. Okay, follow them. If you have any confusions, go back to the video and watch how we got to this particular point. Okay, so just go ahead and click on register. Have I clicked it? What's going on? I'm trying to click it and it's not working. So I think my phone is so after I clicked on register, it's brought us to this point. And yeah, the first option here is individual. That is where you want to be, okay? You don't want to go ahead and click company. No, we want to be going for the individual. So on the normal, it's going to be already ticked for you here as individual. But if by some stroke of luck or whatever, it's not there and it's clicked, here is filled instead, you want to actually go ahead and click. If, for example, your own was here when you loaded, you want to actually go ahead and click individual. Okay, so fill in your your details in English characters only. Okay, so it doesn't mean if your name is Jumoke or your name is Chigozie or your name is Yusuf or whatever, you should not click write to Yusuf. You should write it in English characters. That's in ABC and all that. So first name, this is my first name, Favor, and I'm going to use the other name I used. The email address as well that I used for my KTP account, or you can use another email address. Payoneer and KTP are not conspiring against you, so they won't say, oh, why did you use another account and all that stuff. Input your date of birth. My birthday is next month. From the time of making this video, September 13th, and I'm relatively a young guy. I'm trying to bring up the option for the years. 2000. Yep, Wednesday. So that's that. And please enter the code below. This is the code they're asking you for. Okay, the code they're asking you for. So I'm going to click on, sorry, CB8XE and next. Invalid. Okay, so in case you are confused what we're doing, I'm trying to get the code here. So what they have asked me to get is these things that are here. So let me zoom in. Okay, I can't zoom in. Okay, so let me just go ahead and type what I see. X G P G D. Next. What? What do these people want from me? JAS5A. That's what's there now. Okay. Wow. So this might be your own situation. This might be what might be happening to you. You just have to keep trying. I don't know why mine isn't going through. G E A X Q. Do they want me to put the one that is up after it? Maybe, okay, it's just this 5. What do they want? Let me try and refresh again. Come on. So we're gonna just keep trying until it works. This is taking longer than I expected. So I managed to get through. I wish I I wish I was able to show you how I got through. Okay, so I'm just going to reiterate what I did. So I went to that's these 3 buttons at the top here. In case you're having problems with yours, by the way. So I went to those 3 buttons, I clicked on it, and I changed my view into desktop view, desktop site. Okay. So after that, it changed to this kind of format that I can zoom in and all that. So I was able to refresh my screen. That's refresh. Just pull it down. You can pull it down, or you go to this point and click on it. It will refresh. So after I did that, I just put in the code and it went through. Okay. So we're just going to continue. That took up a lot of time though. But so it's asking for my street number, my address, and city postal code. Okay, so I'm just going to put my phone number. Should I put the other one? Let me put this one. So just put in your street address. and then city. I stay in Suleja, Niger States, and postal code. I think if you're having problem finding your postal code, just go to open a new tab, go to your Google. Like let's say you stay in Lekki, whatever. Just click type Lekki postal code. It's going to bring it up for you. You can just pick one of these things, okay? So it doesn't really matter. This Let me show you how I got my own specifically. So I just went to Suleja postal code, and you can see now 10101. Okay, so it doesn't matter where you are. You can just write Abeokuta postal code. It's going to bring up options for you. Okay, so you just copy that and go to your Payoneer, and you input that as your postal code. This is my postal code already. We're all set, okay? So we have the street number and the street whatever. We have the city, we have the postal code, we have the phone number, and then we're gonna ask them to send verification code to the phone number. Okay, so just clicked on send code. Code requested too many times. Try again in an hour. Wow. So I guess I'm going to try again in an hour. So I'm going to pause this video and continue in an hour. Hey guys, trust me, it has been 1 hour and I've honestly been holding myself from crying. I swear, I just had to wait for an hour. Hopefully, you don't have to wait when you do yours. I think why I did that was because um why I did that was because I think I already used the other number. So in case you've used the number before, please don't. In case you've used the number before to create a Payoneer's account, please don't use it again. Okay. As you can see, I had to wait 1 hour to actually get this code. So that's that. The code is in, and I'm just gonna wait for the countdown to be through. Is there another thing I didn't fill? So everything is filled out. Just going to tap that last button again. 481502. 481502. So we filled in that information. Then we're just going to go ahead and click next. Okay, so it's verified. Then it's going to take us to where we're going to input our details. And um I'm just going to skip this part. And I'm going to pause it and put in my details and continue as well. So let's go ahead. Sorry, you have to put in your password as it has asked you here. Then put in the security question that you would need. Then select your country. Is already selected Nigeria. Then you have these ID types. Either use your national ID, that's your NIN. Either use your NIN, or use your driver's license, or use your passport number or whatever. So I'm just going to go with my NIN, and that's that. I'm going to pause this video, like I said, and continue and fill in the details. So I've put in all the details, and I'm just going to click on next. Holy shit. So as you can see, almost done. Please add a bank account for withdrawals that belongs to you or your company. Okay, so this is the part where you have to put your Nigerian account. So whether you're using First Bank or Access Bank or GTB or whatever, so this is where you're going to put your account, so that when you receive your dollars from Payoneer, you can now send that. When you receive your dollars from Amazon, that's from KDP, then you can now send that money from your Payoneers to directly to your Nigerian bank account. Okay, so that's how the system works, from Amazon to Payoneer, then from Payoneer to your bank account. Okay, so sorry, this is the country we are in. This is Nigeria. Obviously, you're not going to choose business, you're going to be choosing personal. So as it's on personal, that's what you're going to leave it at. So shit. As you can see here, this account holder name, okay, this account holder name that is here, I made a mistake here because this is the name that is supposed to reflect, that's supposed to reflect on my bank. That's that's if for example now, I have a first bank account now. That's the account I'm going to be using for this one now. The name of that account, yeah, the name of that account on First Bank, that is the name I should have used for this. Okay, so when you are making your own, do not make the mistake. Okay, even though you do make the mistake, you can go back and change it. Okay, so this is not my name on my bank, but I'm just going to go ahead and click on First Bank because I'm not going to be using this account. I already have my other Payoneer account, so I'm not going to be making use of this one. So, but please don't make the mistake. I'm just going to click on First Bank. As you can see, they bring out options for the banks. So like First Bank is here, you can click on guarantee Trust Bank, or if it's Access Bank, you see all of them, or if it's what again, Diamond Bank or FCMB. What do they even call that one? I don't know what FCMB is, but mine is First Bank. I'm going to click on that. Then your account number. So my account number is 300, and that is that for this. I'm just going to go ahead and click I agree terms and condition. I agree pricing and fees. If you do not understand these things, you can click on the link to take you to their page, so you can read it up and understand what these things are. But basically, once you fill in these details and you tick these boxes, you click on submit. Your session with the server has been lost, please log in again. Wow. So all the explanations have caused us to lose. So that's that. Congratulations, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. Want a Payoneer card? Learn how to order now. Dash. So as you can see, my account's application has been completed. It is now in review. Probably, I'm going to say probably, they would not approve it because my name is not correlating with my First Bank, but I'm not sure about that first. Okay, so I'm just going to go to my email address and check it up if it has been approved. Okay, so I'm going to go to my email and see if they have approved it. Okay. Um. Sorry. Okay. So this is an email from Payoneer now. It just came in now, 6:19. So they said, please verify your email address. As you can see, there's a lot of verification going on, and it's necessary because they need to make sure you are the one making all these requests. Okay. So you verify my email. This is almost 20 minutes. This video shouldn't be as long. Sorry, this page you're looking for does not exist. Just gonna go back. Okay, as you can see now, the account is verified. You successfully verified your email. So I'm going to go back to the um, to the browser and click on sign in. So I'm gonna input my my email address, and I'm going to input my password. So click on sign in. They said two-step verification. I'm not going to do that, but you should do that. Okay, there's nothing wrong with having a two-step verification. Please do that if you can. In fact, let me do that, Seth. um so they're going to send a code to me. You can see there are a lot of codes that you need to input. Okay, so click on that and submit. Copy and save the following recovery codes. Obviously you guys are not supposed to see this code, but we're gonna go ahead. You should copy that code and go and paste it somewhere that you can actually um reach later on. You can put it on your WhatsApp and all that stuff. Okay, so from what they are saying here now, update your security settings. Strong security settings help protect your account and all that stuff. So we are done with creating our Payoneer's account. This video got too long because we had a lot of setbacks with bad network and all that stuff. So I'm just going to end this video here, and then in the next video we're going to be continuing from this point to the point of linking our Payoneer's account with our Amazon account.